My name is JD Diaz. I am the Director of Creative Media here for Middle Tennessee Football, and I'm going into my second year here. That experience really was critical into getting me to where I am today because it gave me an opportunity to be involved in sports while actually, not necessarily participating physically in sports because, I came in as a transfer freshman during COVID, played a couple of years for Monmouth College football, and then eventually, walked away from that to pursue, a career in sports media.
My name is Gail Walker, and I am a recent 2023 graduate of Monmouth College from Newark, Illinois. I majored in business administration with a minor in communications. Monmouth got me to think creatively and critically, and that helped me when interviewing for jobs. Employers are impressed when you have a wide variety of knowledge.
Hey everyone, my name is Kinsey Arl. I am a Monmouth College alum, class of 2021. Just a couple years ago, I was walking around the quad, trudging up the Walsall stairs, but now I am trudging up the stairs of the beautiful Audi Field for DC United.
Hi, my name's Thomas Whitty. I graduated in the class of 2021 with a communications and journalism degree. I played baseball at Monmouth College, and I now work for the New York Jets as a player personnel assistant. My favorite part about being a Fighting Scot was getting to meet some of my best friends on the baseball team, and then feeling the athletic support of so many others around the college.
I was a part of athletics as a football player, but then, that transitioned into being a part of athletics as a media content creator. So, I thought I received like a unique experience to not only, physically play, but also be able to create media for my friends and teammates that were still on the team while I was pursuing a creative career. So I think that's a pretty unique experience that I wholeheartedly enjoy.
The social environment was my favorite part about being a Fighting Scot. I got to hear perspectives from people from all over, and it was a valuable experience that I wouldn't trade any of the relationships that I gained.
My advice for future Monmouth College students is to get to know your classmates, get to know your teammates, and take advantage of the small school community.
Working in sports, that's one of the biggest things, is the connections you make. And connections are how I got here. It's all about networking. So while your time at Monmouth, you need to make connections with everybody. You never know where it's going to take you. I cannot stress that enough. That is the coolest part about Monmouth.
Be versatile, don't limit yourself into one, set on experience. You're young, so you have the ability to, try different things while also pursuing the main thing that you want, but, don't be afraid to, try out something else, like, hang out with people that that don't necessarily, look like you or talk like you, because, if you just hang out with the people that have the same mindset as you, you'll never grow as a person. So essentially, I would just, don't be afraid to step outside the box and just try, different things, because, in my situation, I came in as a football player set on only playing football and trying to make a lifelong career out of playing football. But, I was able to step outside my comfort zone and try out the creative media side of it, which was, a new experience to me. I've never done that before. And, that versatility, open-mindedness to try to be more versatile in life and try something else allowed me to be to where I am today, which is, a director of creative content at a Division I program, Middle Tennessee State University. So it's definitely, like I said, I'm going to reiterate this. Don't be afraid to try new things, be versatile, and be adaptable.
I was very methodical with my college search as a young little Kansas girl, 17, 18 years old. I knew I wanted to play soccer, and I knew I wanted to go to a small school. So I took a bunch of visits, and the place that felt like home was Monmouth College. You really got that feel of that connection, and I'm a really big environment person, which is why I'm here at DC United, because the environment is so great. My coworkers, my team, we have a lot of fun, we do a lot of good work, and I definitely think being in the environment at Monmouth showed me that that's something I need to have to thrive in my life, and that's what I found here at DC United. Whether it's your first, second, third visit, whether you're a legacy and you've been to campus lots of times, please enjoy your stay at Monmouth College. I know that is a decision I have not regretted once, and I definitely miss it.